National Apple Day was held on October 21st. Apple lovers everywhere are keen to use this day to promote their love of the more than 7,500 varieties of apples grown around the world. Research has shown that the earliest known wild apple trees appeared in Central Asia between 10 and 20 million years ago. Apples spread to Europe as early as the 17th century BC. Some historians believe that it was during that period that the Romans cultivated and developed apples. This is a painting we've done with oil pastels for this special day. Wish you a great National Apple Day. Cheers!